Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we're going to talk about something that touches every person in the world: money. You know that common stereotype about earning money. We work hard every day, we earn some money, but it never feels enough. We look at our bank account and think, if I just earn a little more, I will be much happier. I can buy better things. My life will be perfect. So, what do? We work harder. We try new ways to make money. We dream about bigger salaries, bigger houses, and more success. But we should learn to be enough with the money we already earn and stay calm. We should not push ourselves harder and harder. Pushing yourself too hard can badly affect your health and spirit. But here is something many people don't understand. When your money grows bigger, your desires grow even faster. You start wanting more luxury, expensive cars, big vacations, fancy clothes, and more excitement. You compare yourself with richer people, and suddenly, even with more money, you feel unhappy again. It becomes a never-ending race. Does this sound familiar to you? Many of us fall into this trap. Today, I want to show you both sides of money, the beautiful good side and the dangerous bad side. I will share a shocking real story from the news and a personal story from my own life. Then, we will talk about the important lesson we can learn. Are you ready? Let's go. The good side of money. First, let's talk about the positive side. When we use money wisely, it can bring a lot of good into our lives. Imagine this. You have enough money to give charity. You can help poor families who don't have food or a safe place to live. You can donate to hospitals or schools. When you see someone smile because of your help, your heart feels warm and peaceful. That feeling is priceless. Money also lets you take care of your family. You can buy healthy food so everyone stays strong. You can get a comfortable home where your children can study quietly. You can pay for good medicine when someone gets sick. You can even send your kids to better schools so they have a bright future. When your family is happy and safe, you feel proud and joyful. Helping others and supporting your loved ones, these are some of the best ways to use money. It doesn't just buy things, it creates love, security, and happiness. Isn't that wonderful? Money becomes a tool for good when our heart is in the right place. The bad side of money. But now, let's be honest. Money can also bring problems. It can change people. It can make them greedy. It can make them forget what is really important in life. Let me tell you a shocking real story that happened just a few days ago. There was a 75-year-old millionaire from the USA. He owned a big vineyard in California. He was very successful in business. He loved big game hunting. At his home, he had a large collection of wild animal trophies, lions, leopards, and many other animals from around the world. He enjoyed the thrill of hunting. Last week, he paid $40,000 for a special guided hunting trip to Africa, to the country of Gabon. He went deep into the Lope Okanda rainforest. He was hunting a rare small antelope called a yellow-backed duiker. Suddenly, he and his guide came face to face with a group of 5 female elephants and a baby elephant. The elephants felt threatened, especially because they had a little calf to protect. They got very angry and charged at the men. The elephants trampled him. He died right there in the rainforest. His guide was also seriously injured. Why did this successful millionaire take such a dangerous risk?
He already had a lot of money. He had a comfortable life, but he wanted more excitement. He wanted to add another animal to his collection. He wanted to feel the thrill of the hunt again and again. Many people are saying this looks like karma. What goes around comes around. He spent his life hunting animals, and in the end, the animals defended themselves and took his life. This sad story shows us how money can push people to make risky and harmful choices. When we have too much, sometimes we lose control. We forget the value of life, both human life and animal life. What lesson did we learn? So, my friends, after hearing these stories, what is the big lesson? Money is only a tool. It is not good or bad by itself. Everything depends on how we use it and how it changes us. Here are the important points to remember. Use money for good things. Give charity. Help people in need. Support your family so they can live happily and safely. These actions bring real joy and peace. Be careful. Don't let money make you greedy. Don't chase endless desires that never satisfy you. Never forget your old friends and family when you become successful. Stay humble and kind. A good heart is more valuable than any amount of money. Respect life. Don't hurt people or animals just for excitement or to collect trophies. Every life has value. Understand this truth. Real happiness does not come from having more and more money. It comes from love, friendship, kindness, and a peaceful mind. If you become rich one day, ask yourself every day, am I still the same kind person? My personal experience. Now, let me share a story from my own life. This one is very close to my heart. I had a very good friend for many years. We grew up together. We shared jokes, helped each other, and were always there in difficult times. He was a normal guy, just like me. Then, one day, his business became very successful. He became rich very quickly. Money started pouring in. At first, I was happy for him. But soon, everything changed. He stopped calling me as often. When we met, the conversations felt different, cold and short. He made new friends from rich circles. He started going to expensive restaurants and luxury places. He slowly forgot his old friends, including me. Our friendship became cold and distant. A few months later, my mother became very sick. The doctor said she needed expensive medicine and special treatment. I didn't have enough money. I felt desperate. So I gathered my courage and called my rich friend. I explained the situation honestly. I asked him if he could help me with some of the medicine cost. I promised I would return the money as soon as possible. He listened quietly. Then he said no. He refused to help. He gave some excuses and ended the call quickly. I was shocked. I felt so sad and disappointed. The friend I knew for years was gone. Money had changed him completely. That day, I learned a painful lesson. Sometimes, when people become rich, they build walls around themselves. They forget kindness and old relationships. Final thoughts. Friends, money will always be part of our lives, but we must control it, not let it control us. What do you think about all this? Have you ever seen money change someone you know? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. I read every comment, and I love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Simple Language channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching until the end. You are awesome. Stay kind, stay humble, and take care of the people you love. See you in the next video. Bye for now.